Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter integration. Okay, before that we should do Brahmanath to concentrate our mind. Let's do Brahmanath. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the problems based on the integration of the function product of two functions using by parts. Okay, the rule of the by parts and some problems discussed. Today we are going to discuss some more problems based on the integration of by parts and some problems based on the cancellation law and integration of twin functions like x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 integration and x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 integration dx. Okay, so let's do some problems based on the previous concept. Okay, so now integration? What is integration? X into e to the power x square sin x square into dx. This is question. Integrate. Okay, integrate. Solution: let I is equal to x into e to the x square sin x square dx. Put x square is equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what is here? 2x is equal to dt by dx. So x ds is equal to what? dt by 2. Now the above integration I equal to what? I is equal to, we can write e to the x square into sin x square into x dx. So I is equal to e to the power t sin t into dt by 2. So I is equal to what? I is equal to 1 by, that is 1 by 2 e to the power t sin t dt, or we can write 2I is equal to what? 2I is equal to e to the t sin t dt. Now what is here? Using by parts. So 2I is equal to what? 2I is equal to, this is v second function and this is u first function. Now u means what? Sin t integration et dt whole integration d by dt of sin t integration e to t dt whole dt. This is the formula. So 2I is equal to what? 2I is equal to sin t e to the t integration minus integration of derivative of sin t means what? Cos t, and this is integration of e to t means e to t dt. Again put by parts. So 2I is equal to e to the t sin t, and this is by parts. According to by parts, what? Brackets cos, this is u and this is v. So cos t integration e to t dt minus whole integration what? Whole integration, that is derivative of d by dt of cos t integration of e to t dt whole dt. Clear? Now this is equal to what? This is equal to 2y is equal to e to the t sin t, and this is cos t e to the t minus derivative of cos t means what? Minus sin t into e to the t dt. So this is equal to 2y is equal to e to the t and sin t into, that is minus e to the t cos t. Clear? This is plus minus plus and again minus e to the power what? Sin t e to the t dt, and this is equal to what? This is equal to 2y. Clear? This is equal to what? 2y. So this is 2y. 2y is equal to e to the t sin t minus e to the t cos t minus 2y. So 2y, this is 4i is equal to e to the t sin t minus e to the t cos t plus any constant c. Now I is equal to what? I is equal to, take e to the t common, sin t minus cos t divided by 4. Clear? Plus c. Constant by 4 is another constant. So what is t? That is I is equal to e to the power x square by 4 sin e to the power x square, sin x square minus cos x square plus c. Okay, this is the solution of the question. Now problems based on number 1, integration of root over a square minus x square dx, that is equal to what? X by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c, and number 2 is integration root over x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root over x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. And third one is integration root over x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root over x square minus a square by 2 log x plus root over x square plus minus a square. This is the 3 formula of by parts method. Okay, now problem based on these 3 formula. Now problem based on these 3 formulas. This is integration, suppose integration 9 minus x square dx. So this is question, integrate. Clear? So this is question number 1 and answer is what? This is equal to root over 3 square minus x square dx. Which formula is applied here? Formula number 1. So x by 2, this is x by 2 root over 3 square minus a square plus a square by 2. This is 3 square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. A means what? 3. This is answer. So x by 2 root over 9 minus x square plus 9 by 2 sin inverse x by 3 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Now another question. Question number 2. Now another question. Integrate. So integration of what? 16 minus suppose 2x square dx. Mark the question formula a square minus x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1, but here coefficient of x square is 2. So make the coefficient of x square 1. So take common here root over what? That is solution is integration root over 16 minus 2x square. Clear? Dx, here coefficient of x square is 1, but here coefficient of x square is 2. So make the coefficient of x square 1. So this is equal to integration 16 minus what? Take 2 common, 2, that is 8 minus x square into dx. So this is equal to root 2 integration of what? Root 8 whole square minus x square into dx. Apply formula number 1, that is what? Apply formula number 1, that is what? X by root 2 into x by 2, sorry, this is x by 2 and root over a square minus x square means 8 minus x square, 8 minus x square plus a square by 2. A square means what? 8 by 2 sin inverse x by what? X by a means what? Root 8. A means root 8 plus c. This is answer. Clear? This is equal to what? That is x by 2 root 2 8 minus what? X square plus this is 4 by what? 4 by root 2, that is 4 root 2. Clear? This is root 2 here, that is x by root 2. Clear? Root 2 here, so x by root 2 this, and 8 and this is root 2. So 8 by what? This is cancel, 4 root 2. 8 by 4, 4 and this is root 2. 4 root 2 into what? Sin inverse x by root 8 plus c. Clear? Okay, so root 2 by 2 means what? Root 2 remains same, and 8 by 4 means 4 into root 2. Clear? So this time here the coefficient of x square 1, but here 2. So make the coefficient of x square 1. Now another question. Integrate square root of 25 x square plus 25 dx. Solution is integration root over x square plus 5 square into dx. So apply formula number 2, that is x by 2, this is equal to x by 2 root over what? X square plus a square means 25 plus a square by 2, that is 25 by 2 into log of x plus root over x square plus a square means 25 plus c. This is answer. And another question is what? Question number 4, integration root over 3x square plus 48, okay, dx. Here the coefficient of x square is 1, but here coefficient of x square equal to 3. So take common 3. Solution is what? This is root over integration of root over 3a square plus 48 dx. So take common 3, that is into 3 into x square plus 16 dx, that is equal to what? Root 3 integration x square plus 16 means 4 square into dx. So root 3 into what? X by 2 into root over x square plus a square means 16 plus a square by 2 means 16 by 2. Here a is equal to what? This is equal to a equal to 4. So a square by 2 means 16 by 2 into log of x plus root over x square plus 16 plus c. This is, and so this is equal to what? That is equal to this is x by what? X by, clear, x root 3 into like this. So this is equal to what? Root 3, this is equal to x root 3x, okay. So root 3 x by 2 root over x square plus 16, and this is 8 root 3, and this is log by x plus what? X square plus 16 mod plus c. This is answer. Now another question. Now integration. This is question number 5. Integration e to the x square root of 4 minus e to the 2x dx. Solution is so root over 4 minus ex whole square, e to the x whole square into e to the x dx. So put e to the x is equal to t, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So e to the x dt by dx, that implies e to the x ds is equal to what? Dt. Clear? So this is equal to what? This is equal to square root of integration of square root of 4 minus 8 square into dt. So this is equal to 2 square minus t square dt. So apply first formula, a square minus s square formula. In place of x here t. So x by 2 means t by 2 root over t square minus a square minus t square. So 4 minus what? T square plus a square by 2. A square means what? 2 square by 2 means 4 by 2 into sine inverse t by 2 plus c. Now what is t here? T means what? E to the x by 2 root over 4 minus e to the x whole square, and this is 2 sine inverse e to the x by 2 plus c, that is equal to what? Okay, so e to the x, that is equal to what? E to the x by 2 4 minus e to the 2x plus 2 into sine inverse x by 2, that is e to the x by 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay, this is the answer. Clear? This is 4 minus e to the what? E to the 2x root over. Clear? Now another question. This is what? This is e to the what? E to the x by 2 4 minus e to the 2x plus 2 sine inverse e to the x by 2 plus c. This is answer. Clear? Integration integrates question number 6. Integration of sec square theta root over sec square theta root over sec square theta root over sec square theta plus 3 d theta. This is question. So solution is what? Solution is integration sec square theta, so sec square theta plus 3 d theta. Okay, so what? Whose derivative is sec square theta? Derivative of tan theta is sec square theta. So sec square theta can be reduced in terms of tan square theta. What is sec square theta? You have to use here sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? So this is sec square theta root over sec square theta means 1 plus tan square theta plus 3 d theta, that is equal to what? Root over sec square theta tan square theta plus 4 d theta. Clear? So put tan theta is equal to t, tan theta is equal to t, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So sec square theta with respect to theta. So sec square theta dt by d theta. So sec square theta d theta is equal to dt. Now sec square theta, this is this term and this term, what this is equal to dt. Clear? So this is root over t square plus 4 into dt, that is equal to what? T square plus 2 square dt, that is formula number 2. This is t by 2 root of t square plus what? A square means 4 plus 4 by 2 log t plus root over t square plus 4 plus c. So this is equal to t by 2. What is t here? T means what? T means what? Tan theta. So tan theta by 2 and root over what? Tan square theta plus 4 plus 2 into log tan theta plus root over tan square theta plus 4 mod plus c. This is answer. Or you can write here tan square theta plus 1 means what? Sec square theta plus 3, and this is what? Sec square theta plus 3 root over. This is answer. Now another question. Integrate sec theta into tan theta root over tan square theta minus 3 d theta. Clear? So solution is what? Integration sec theta into tan theta root over tan square theta minus 3 d theta. So this is equal to what? Root over sec square theta, tan square theta means what? Sec square theta minus 1, sec square theta minus 1 minus 3 into sec theta tan theta d theta. So this is equal to what? Integration sec square theta minus 4 root over into sec theta tan theta. Put sec theta is equal to t. Sec theta is equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to theta. So sec theta into tan theta is equal to dt by d theta. So sec theta into tan theta d theta is equal to dt, is equal to dt. So this is equal to what? This is root over t square minus 2 square, and this is what? Dt. By the formula, what is formula? T by 2 root over t square minus 4 minus a square by 2, that is 2 square by 2 log t plus root over t square minus 4 plus c. So this is equal to t. T means what? Sec theta. Sec theta divided by 2 root over sec square theta minus 4 minus 2 into log sec theta plus root over sec square theta minus 4 mod plus c. This is answer. Okay. Now another question, another type questions. Integration of type integration of root over ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay. Procedure make step 1 make ax square plus bx plus c as sum or difference of two squares. Step 2, then apply standard formula. standard formula. This is the concept. Okay, now let's question. Integrate root over x square plus 4x minus 3 dx. So what is this? Is integrate. This is question. Solution is integration x square plus 4x minus 3 dx. Make it perfect square. This is integration x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square minus 2 square plus minus 3. Okay, dx. So this is equal to integration root over x plus 2 whole square, and this is what? Minus 4 minus 7 dx. Now put x plus 2 is equal to t. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. Dx is equal to dt. Okay, so this is equal to root over t square minus root 7 square dt. So this is equal to what? X square minus a square formula, that is third formula. So t by 2 root over t square minus 7 plus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 minus 7 by 2 log t plus root over t square minus 7 plus c. So this is what is t here? T is equal to x plus 2. T is equal to x plus 2 by 2 root over what? X plus 2 whole square minus 7 by 2 log of root over x plus 2 plus root over x plus 2 whole square minus 7 plus c. So this is equal to x plus 2 by 2 root over what? And simplify this. This is equal to what? For x square. Simplify this. This is x square plus 4x minus 3 plus 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2 log of x plus 2. Clear? And this is root over x square plus 4x minus 7, x square plus 4x minus 7, x square plus 4x what? Minus 7 more plus c. This is answer. Okay, now another question. Integration root over 3a square plus 5x minus 2 dx. Okay, so solution is what? Solution is integration 3a square plus 5x minus 2 dx. So this is equal to what? Take 3 common. This is x square plus 5 by 3 x minus 2 by 3 into dx. Clear? So this is root 3 integration of what? Root over x square plus 2 into x कौन कले 5 by 3 हबो ना 5 by जदि 6 करिबा into 5 by 3 x रहिबो. So 5 by 6 whole square minus 5 by 6 whole square means 25 by 36 minus 2 by 3 into dx. So this is equal to root 3 integration what? This up to this. So this is equal to what? Root over x plus 5 by 6 whole square, and this is what? LCM 36, LCM minus common, LCM 36, this is 25 and this is 24. Okay, so dx LCM here 36, 25 and this is 12 divided by 3 kale 36 को 3 divided kale 12, this is 24. So minus common dita plus sikla. So that is root 3 integration square root of x plus 5 by 6 whole square, and this is 49 by 36, that is what, 49 by 7 by 6 whole square. Put x plus 5 by x is equal to t, dx is equal to dt. Now what, that is equal to root 3 integration t square minus 7 by 6 whole square root over dt. root 3 and integration formula x square minus a square formula. This is what, root 3, this is what, this is t by 2 root over t square minus 7 by 6 whole square plus minus a square by 2, that is 7 by 6 whole square by 2 into log t plus root over t square minus 7 by 6 whole square plus c. So this is equal to what, this is root 3 into t means what, t means x plus 5 by 6 by 2 root over t square means x plus 5 by 6 whole square by, this is 7 by 6 whole square, that is 36, 49 by what, 49 by 36 minus what, minus what, minus, this is 49 by what, 36 into 2, that is log of x plus 5 by 6 plus root over x plus 5 by 6 whole square minus 49 by 36 plus c. And simplify this, this is equal to what, this is equal to root 3 into 6x plus 5 divided by 12 and root over what, this is equal to root over like this x square, this is simplify, this is x square plus 5 by 3 x minus 2 by 3, okay, and minus 2 by 3. Simplify this, this is equal to what, x square plus 5 by 3x, 5 by 3x minus 2 by 3, and this is equal to what, this is equal to 49 by 72 log, this is equal to 6x plus 5 by 6, and this is equal to root over what, this root over this amount, root over this amount, okay, this amount. So this amount is simply a step एटू आसला ए स्टेप एट आसला ए स्टेप एट आसला. सो यार भैल्यू हो जी एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस 5/3 एक्स minus 2/3 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Now let us discuss the cancellation law formula. Cancellation formula. Number 1 cancellation formula: e to the x f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e to the x f of x plus c. Number 2 cancellation formula: e to the power kx integration of k into f of x plus f dash x into dx is equal to e to the k into fx e to the kx, okay, kx f of x plus c. This is 2 cancellation formula. Now proof of 1. So integration of e to the x f of x plus f dash x dx, okay. So let this is equal to I. Let this is equal to I. Let I is equal to e to the x f of x plus f dash x into dx. Now multiply this. I is equal to e to the x f dash x, f of x dx plus integration e to the x f dash x ds. जदि e to the x थिबो फंक्शन थिबो तार डेरिवेटिव थिबो तो फंक्शन पार्ट को सेम रखिबो, एटा फिक्स रखिबो आ बाकी को बाय पार्ट्स करिवो, एटा को बाय पार्ट्स करिवो, एटा को बाय पार्ट्स. आइलेट मेथड पकले एक्सपोनेंशियल रहबो v, this is v and this is what u. So apply by parts method. So I is equal to what f of x integration e to the x dx whole integration d by ds of f of x integration e to the x dx whole dx एटा फिक्स रहबो e to the x f dash x dx. Clear? So this is equal to what I is equal to f of x integration of f dash x means x e to the x means e to the x derivative of f of x, that is f dash x into integration e to the x dx plus integration e to the x f dash x into dx plus c. So this part cancel, so that's why it is called cancellation law. So I is equal to what e to the x into f of x plus c. This is the process to integrate the cancellation law. Now second one, second proof number 2, proof 2, that is integration of e to the kx k into f of x plus f dash x into dx. Let this is equal to I. तो कौन करिबा इटी मल्टीप्लाई करिबा e to the kx k into f of x dx plus e to the kx f dash x dx. तो एटा फिक्स रहिबो, डेरिवेटिव पार्ट फिक्स रहिबो, एटा हबो बाय पार्ट्स, एटा को v ए पार्ट को नेबा u. तो k into what k into f of x integration e to the kx dx whole d by dx of k into what k into f of x, and this is integration of e to the kx dx whole dx. So this is equal to k into f of x integration e to the kx by k minus derivative of that is k into what f dash x, k into f dash x into this is equal to e to the kx by what k into dx. So k cancel here k cancel, and this is what plus, and plus this is what fixed term is what this is e to the power kx f dash x ds. Okay, so e to the power kx f dash x into dx, this part cancel, this is equal to e to the power kx f of x minus integration e to the power kx f dash x dx plus integration of e to the kx f dash x dx plus c. This part cancel, so remain is here e to the kx f of x plus c. This is the proof of second cancellation law. Now problems based on cancellation law. Now problems based on cancellation law. Problems based on cancellation law. Cancellation law or cancellation formula. number 1 question, integrate e to the x cot x plus log sin x dx. What is derivative of log sin x? Here f of x is equal to log sin x. F dash x is equal to 1 by sin x and derivative of sin x, that is cos x. So f dash x is equal to what? Cot x. By formula e to the x f of x plus f dash x into dx is equal to e to the x into f of x plus c. So according to this here, so this is equal to e to the x, f of x means log sin x plus c. This is answer. Now another question, integrate e to the x, integrate e to the x. टिक केयरफुल देखियो पड़ो, e to the x थिबो आउ फंक्शन गोटे देथिबो ताको कोन करियो पड़ो f of x plus f dash x कन्वर्ट करियो पड़ो. केमति करबा? एटा q देछ, एटा q हबो. केमति करबा ना कोन कले x plus 1 ला कैंसिल हबो, सेटा होस इंपोर्टेंट. तो लिखि परिबा सॉल्यूशन लिखिबा e to the x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole cube dx. तो सॉल्यूशन हम लिखि परिबा e to the x एटा x plus 1 कर दियो, minus 1 दरकार तो minus 2 डिवाइड बाय x plus 1 whole cube dx. आपको पार्ट कर दबा बे. ओके, सो e to the x हबो इंटीग्रेशन एटा बाय एटा बोले कत हबो 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube into dx. ये बाध्य r डेरिवेटिव. तो एटा होची f of x, ये होची f dash x. देखो चेक कर दियो. Here f of x is equal to 1 by x plus 1 whole square. डेरिवेटिव काट देले कथा हबो, this is minus 2 into x plus 1 minus 2 minus 1, derivative of expression 1, that is f dash x is equal to minus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole cube. So this is f dash x. By formula integration e to the x f of x plus f dash x into dx is equal to e to the x into f of x. So answer is, so this is equal to what? E to the x, f of x means 1 by x plus 1 whole square into, this is plus c. This is answer. This is question number 2. Now question number 3. Integration. This is good. E to the x 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x ds. So solution is integration e to the power x 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. So this is equal to e to the x 1 plus sin x formula, 1 plus sin x, that is 1 by 1 plus sin x divided by 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. So e to the x 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 plus sin x means what? Sin x means, this sin x means what? 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. So e to the power x, that is 1 by 2 sec square x by 2, 2 to cancel, 1, this is cos square, 1 cos cancel, this is 10x by 2. So what is derivative of 10? That is x square. X. Here this is f of x and this is f dash x. Okay. So by the formula e to the x, f of x means what? 10x by 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay. Another question. Integrate x into the x divided by x plus 1 whole square dx. So solution is what? हम x plus 1 cancel करियो पड़ियो. So e to the x bracket, this is x plus x by x plus 1 whole square dx. So e to the x integration bracket x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square into dx. So e to the x and x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square, that is 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. This is f of x and this is what? F dash x. So answer is what? E to the x into f of x means 1 by 1 plus x plus c. Derivative of 1 by x means minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Clear? Now another question. Integration of 1 by ln x minus 1 by ln x whole square whole ds. Log this type question mane put this is question. Okay. So integrate solution is integration 1 by ln x minus 1 by ln x whole square into dx. So put ln x is equal to t. Ln x means what? This is log x base is equal to t. That is okay. So x is equal to what? E to the t. Now dx is equal to e to the t into dt. So this is equal to 1 by t minus 1 by t square e to the t dt. This is function of t, f of t, and this is derivative of the function of t, f dash t. So answer is e to the t, f of t plus c. So what is t? T means what? ln x, e to the x. F of x means what? F of x means, and f, this is f of t. F of t means what? This is 1 by t. Clear? 1 by t. This is 1 by t plus c. So e to the ln x by 1 by, what is x? What is 1 by t? T means what? Log x. ln x plus c. So e to the ln x means what? X by ln x plus c. Because formula e to the ln x means what? X. So this, apply this, e to the ln x means x by ln x. Now another question. Integrate log of log x plus 1 by log x whole square into dx. This is question. Okay, this is the question. So what is your solution? Integration of log x plus 1 by log x whole square into dx. Put log x is equal to t, that is base here. So x is equal to what? E to the t. Dx is equal to e to the t into dt. So this is equal to log t plus 1 by log x whole square means 1 by t square. E ds means e to the t dt. So derivative of log t means what? Okay, derivative of log t means 1 by t. 1 by t absent here. So log t plus 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1 by t square. Okay, e to the t into dt. Now derivative of log t means 1 by t. Derivative of 1 by t means minus 1 by t means 1 plus 1 by t square. So integration of log t minus 1 by t plus this is equal to 1 by t plus 1 by t square whole into e to the t dt. Clear? This is f of t. Now here f of t is equal to what? Log t minus 1 by t. So f dash t is equal to what? 1 by t. This is plus 1 by t square. So by the formula, this is by formula e to the t f of t plus f dash t dt is equal to e to the t f of t plus c. F of t plus c. So e to the t means what? E to the t f of t means what here? F of t means log t minus 1 by t plus c. Now t is equal to what? T is equal to log x. E to the power log x, and this is what? Log of log x minus 1 by log x plus c. E to the log x means what? X. So x into what? Log of log x minus 1 by log x plus c. Clear? This is equal to, by formula, integration of e to t f of t plus f dash t dt is equal to e to t f of t. Here e to x, e to t, and what is f of t? F of t means what? Log t minus 1 by t. So what is t here? T, that is t equal to log x. So e to t means e to log x, log of log x plus minus 1 by log x. E to the log x means x, and log of log x minus 1 by log x plus c. This is answer. Now integration solution is e to the minus x by 2, okay, root over 1 minus sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Here put minus x by 2 is equal to suppose z. So this is what? Minus x is equal to 2z. So dx is equal, or that is x is equal to minus 2z. So dx is equal to minus 2 dz. Okay, so this is equal to e to the z, and root over 1 minus sin x means what? X means minus 2z divided by 1 plus cos minus 2z, and this is equal, dx is equal to what? Minus 2 dz, and this is minus 2 dz. So this is equal to minus here minus 2 e to the z sin of minus theta, that is minus sin theta. So 1 plus sin 2z by cos of minus theta, cos theta. So cos 2z into dz. Now minus 2 into what? Minus 2 into this is equal to minus 2 into e to the power z, and what is 1 plus sin 2z, and what is 1 plus sin 2z. Clear? As you know the formula, 1 plus sin 2z root over, this is formula, this is cos z plus sin z, okay, divide by, what is formula here, 1 plus cos 2z, that is 2 cos square z dz. So minus 2 into e to the power z, and this is e to z cos z by 2 cos square z, that is 1 by 2 into sec z, and this is what, this is equal to sin by cos means tan, 1 by 2 or 1 by 2, and what is this, this is equal to tan z into sec z. Clear? dz. One thing make here, 2 to cancel, okay, it will be easy. So 2 is not here, 1 by 2 is not here, so this is minus, this is what is derivative of sec z, this is f of z, and this is f dash z. By the formula, that is minus here, e to z and f of z means what, sec z plus c, okay. So what is z? Z means what, minus x by 2, so e to the minus x by 2 sec of minus x by 2 plus c, that is equal to minus e to the minus x by 2 into sec of minus theta equal to sec theta, so sec x by 2 plus c, this is answer, okay. Now integrations of twins, these are the problems of the chapter of integration using by parts. In next class we will do another method, another exercise, another concept. Thank you, have a nice day.